Hello and welcome back to our channel Latest Job. If you're first time on this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos. So today's videos we are discussing about a job update from Accenture. So in this video we'll cover each and everything regarding the job responsibility, regarding the salary and location part of this job. So please watch this video up till end. So let's get started. So the name of the profile is New Associate Order to Cash Processing. So as per this role title, we have to discuss the job responsibility as well. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the job responsibility part of this job. So as per they are mentioned over here, so it's also on your screen. So it's mentioned here, in this role you are required to solve routine problem rightly through the procedure and refer to a general guideline. This is the first point which mentioned over here in the job responsibility part. If we talk about more parts, so mention over here, your primary interaction is written in your team and your direct supervisor. So your interaction is with your team member, means team manager and a direct supervisor. If we talk about more point, like you will give details instruction to all tasks that need to be carried out, and all the discussion that you make will be impact your work. So there are different SOPs through which you have to work, and this work will be means you have to report to the team manager and supervisor. So as we can see that there are some other points, so I can display in front of you. You can pause this video, you can have a look for this. Now talk about more part that which department they are hiring for basically. So it's mentioned over here that what we are looking for individual who have the following skill set, like finance processing. Second point is strong analytical skill, and third point ability to meet deadline, and the fourth and last point, that is a process orientation. So these are the skill set which you need to be have to apply for this job role. So I have covered about the responsibility part, about the skill set. Now the question arrived at what is the education required, what education required to apply for this job role. So talking about education is mentioned over here, graduation. Any graduation means if you have done anything in term of graduation, it can be a BCom, a BCA, BBA, anything. If you have a bachelor degree, then you can easily apply for this job role. Now the next important question arrived, that which location they are hiring for basically. So if we talk about the location, this is for only one location, that is a Gurgaon. It's now it's known as a Gurugram. So job location is Gurugram. And if we talk about more about that, maybe the question is arrived over here, like you are thinking if you are fresher, then you are eligible for this job role or not. So let me tell you guys, if you are fresher, then it's no matter, you can apply for this job role. As per it's mentioned over here, year of experience 0 to 1 year. So if you are fresher, then you can easily apply for this job role. Now if we talk about more about the job, that which designation they are hiring for, as per the name, it's order to cash processing. So designation is mentioned over here, this is a management level and new associate. Okay, and skill required, that is the order to cash processing. This is something which is come under the title of the profile, account receivable ledger maintenance. So I have covered about the skills part, about the job responsibility, about whether fresher is eligible for this job role or not, and what will be the qualification for this job role. So I have covered each and everything in terms of the info of the job role. Now the question arrived that how you can apply for this job role. If you want to apply and you are eligible for this job role, so how you can apply, this question arrived over here. So let me tell you guys, so as usual, you have to open the description box of the video. So there is a link, you have to open that link and you will be redirected to this page. This is on a page of Naukri.com. When you click on apply on company website, basically I will provide you two of the link, one of the direct link and one will be the Naukri.com link. You can go through with anyone. So it's over here, it's a company site, it is a career site, it's not any third party, it's Accenture site only. So you will have this page and you can easily click on this button, that is apply now, and you can go through with the registration form and you can easily apply for this job role. If your profile is shortlisted, they will contact you through the email, through their contact which you will be provide to them. So this is how you can apply for this job role. So now talking about most important point, that what will be the salary for this job role. So as per the company side, as per the Naukri.com, they have not disclosed about the salary part. If you will go through with the interview, they will explain you each and everything about the company prospectus. They will provide every information regarding the job role. This is only a JD part of the job. So I believe I have covered each and everything regarding this job role. If anything is left behind, you can ask me in a comment section. I will shortly reply for that. So that's all for this video. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up on video, and that's all for this video. Thank you.